Hi guys! Long time no vlog. Today's my day off and isasama ko kayo. Ang nasa isip ko gawin today is magpa-picture for passport photo. And then, gusto ko bumili ng next guard para sa mga dogs. Magsasoli ako ng mga books sa library. And then, hopefully, if weather permitting, makapag beach tayo. We'll see what's gonna happen today. Isasama ko na lang kayo. It's 3:50, 5 p.m. Magko-close yung Australia Post para sa passport photo. So, tara, drive na tayo. Ng araw ngayon, mainit, maaraw, pero kanina sobrang cloudy and medyo makulimlim. So, pabago-bago yung araw dito ngayon sa Melbourne. Pero sulitin natin habang may araw. Punta na tayo sa Australia Post para sa ating Australian passport photo. Hi guys, kakatapos lang natin magpa-passport photo. Ang bilis lang. Pagpasok ko, pinicturean na ako agad, tapos nagbayad na ako. $23 yung passport photo. And na-print na siya agad. It's currently 4:30 p.m. and maaraw pa. So, habang maaga pa, gawin na natin yung mga errands natin. Today is my day off and kahapon, day off ko din. Nilaan ko yung araw ko kahapon to clean the house. Nagtanggal din ako ng weeds sa garden kasi matagal na siyang nag-grow. Ang lago-lago na ng mga weeds namin sa garden. So kahapon, tinanggal ko yung mga weeds. Tapos, ano pa ba ginawa ko kahapon? Ayun, nag-vacuum ako ng floor and mop. Tapos, nag-bathtub ako, nag-self-care din. And then, ano pa ba? Ayun, so medyo busy ako kahapon sa bahay, maglinis. Ngayon, errands day naman yung day off ko. So yun, inasikaso ko yung mga dapat asikasuhin like passport photo, tapos yung mga dogs ko, kailangan na nila ng deworming tablet. So bibili tayo nun sa Pet Barn. Sama lang kayo sa off ko kasi wala akong kausap. Let's go!
Good luck, get into the bottom of that glass half empty. Shut up, 'cause I don't wanna think right now. Put up imaginary walls.
Passport photo done. Next guard spectra done. So, gusto ko nang pumunta sa library pero nakita ko yung anaconda and never pa ako pumunta sa loob ng anaconda. Let's see what's inside. Ang saya ng gantong araw, yung wala kang masyadong plano. Very random. Let's see what's inside. Excited na ako. Mamasyal sa Anaconda and ang dami nating nakitang mga pang-camping gear, caravan. Medyo nag-manifest ako ng konti. Kasi hindi pa ako nakakapag-camping dito sa Australia. Kasi nga, medyo temperamental yung weather dito. Minsan maaraw, minsan malamig, minsan umuulan, all in one day. So parang medyo tricky siya, pero gusto ko talaga matry mag-camping dito. Pero wala pa kaming masyadong camping gear. Pero why not, diba? Balang araw, magagawa din natin yon. And then, may nakita rin ako mga pang-caravan. Isa yung caravan sa mga bucket list namin ng partner ko. Parang gusto namin matry mag-caravan and libutin yung buong Australia. Di naman masama mangarap. Hopefully, balang araw makapag-vlog din ako na nagka-caravan na kami and naglilibot na kami sa Australia. Maaraw pa din, 5:19 na. Punta naman tayo ngayon sa library. Let's go! nga guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa library. Dito ako madalas nagbaborrow ng books. Dito rin kami nag-citizenship ceremony last month. So, medyo memorable tong place na to.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up? When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today.
Katapos ko lang mag-borrow ng book sa library. Medyo nahilo ako. Ang daming options kasi. Pero nakakaaliw pumili ng libro. Parang depende sa mood ko kung ano yung gusto kong basahin for the time being. Here's my books for today. Maganda siyang habit magbasa kahit few pages of book every day. Para lang, wala lang, nakaka-unwind para iba naman sa cellphone or social media. Healthy sa utak. Ayun. Ang ganda ng araw, no? Ang ganda rin ng library dito. Sobrang laki. Chinek ko yung weather, 7:30 yung sunset. And it's currently 6 p.m. So, medyo may time pa. Pwede tayo pumunta sa beach ngayon. Weather permitting, let's go!
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head.
Tatago yung sun sa clouds. Pero slowly but surely, malapit na siyang bumaba. Nakikita ko na siya. Gorgeous! Nakikita niyo yung sun? Dahan-dahan na siyang bumababa sa clouds. Ang ganda.
The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always...
Ito yung pinakamalapit na beach sa amin. Siguro mga 30-minute drive lang siya from the library earlier. Ang saya lang dito sa Australia kasi kapag pag-trip mo pumunta ng beach, mabilis lang siya ma-access. So, it's a 30-minute drive. We're currently at Bond Beach and kakatapos lang mag-sunset and nakita niya naman, sobrang ganda ng sun. As in, buong-buo yung view. Sun, clouds, tapos yung sea. Wala lang. One of my favorite things is really watching the sunset. Ayun, and I'm glad na nasama ko kayo. Very productive tayo today. Ang dami nating nagawa. Medyo nagugutom na ako. So, one of my to-do list for today is to take myself on a solo date. So, medyo nakakapanibago kasi usually pag nagpupunta ako ng beach, kasama ko yung mga dogs ko. Pero ngayon hindi ko sila nasama. It's 7:31 and medyo gutom na ako. Maghanap tayo ng pwede nating kainan for dinner. Let's go!
Simple love is everything. Can't imagine living life alone.
If we were to go separate ways,
'Cause with you I feel like
who knows how far we go.
Don't you know that all that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much, just your simple love and it's everything.
Got you a story to tell, said to stop you if I'd already heard it. I knew a couple words and let you go, 'cause I knew you preferred it. And I like the sound of you reading your texts. You take off your glasses and pray.
Tapos ko lang mag-dinner sa Freddy's. Malapit lang siya sa beach kanina. So, doon tayo kumain. In-order ko parma, chicken parma. Malaki yung serving. May fries, may salad, tsaka may drinks. Just for $28. So, sulit siya. Naubos ko actually lahat. Walang natira. Ayun. Nag-enjoy naman ako today. Sana nag-enjoy din kayo. Ang dami nating nagawa. Very productive. At the same time, very chill. Lalo na yung sunset. Nag-enjoy talaga ako sa sunset. Thank you for spending the day with me, guys. See you on our next vlog. Bye!